In today's video, I'm about to show you how exactly you can get through fixing NordVPN not connecting on an iPhone. So this is actually pretty easy. You can see we have this official guide provided by NordVPN. So you can see first of all it is saying you can tap on settings, then head over to general and reset. So basically this is also going to be resetting your Wi-Fi networks and passwords, cellular settings and VPN and APN settings. So that is going to be helping you to connect it thoroughly. So a lot of time these things are pop in some issues. So before you move forward, I suggest you simply head over to the link in the description of this video that can give you 70% off on NordVPN. So that is something you should not be missing out on, and make sure to go try to that. So I hope this helps, and thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and for more videos like these you can simply hop on to our channel. So that is it for this one. See you around in the next video.